I'm Mark-Anna Stanley, Superintendent of Henderson County Schools, and this is the end of week message. Last week we were fortunate enough that we got to go into Henderson County High School's cafeteria and into the kitchen and looked at behind the scenes at what our child nutrition department does every day for our students. So we're going to continue that series, and today we're going to look at the behind the scenes for our maintenance department. Did you know that our maintenance department maintains 225 acres? So that means every week everything has to be mowed, landscaping looks nice, we make sure all the litter is picked up. We have miles and miles of blacktop through our parking lot and through our driveways in and out of our schools. And another place that we have to maintain very well are our athletic complex. So let's go behind the scenes and see what's going on down at Colonel Stadium today. So here we are, Colonel Stadium on the football field. We have our last regular schedule home football game Friday night. And you can see behind the scenes a couple of our maintenance gentlemen are working to get that field ready. It's also a special night because we're going to feature our Pink Out Night, which is a great collaboration with many of our community partners. And so I can see a little pink on the field. Let's go talk to him. How are you
Miss
today?
Stanley?
I'm good. Hey, we have Scott Preston and Rex Minton, and farther down the field we have Scott Hope. So tell us a little bit about what you do to get the field ready.
Well, we start by pulling string for each of the lines,
Okay?
and then we get a new toy, we call it, our
Sure.
paint machine. And so two of us will pull string as the other one paints the line, we'll get that. And after that we have big templates for the numbers that we'll
Sure.
drag out and fill those in and do your increments and hash marks. It's a lot of measuring,
and
yeah, and centering up. And
Sure, and this is just one field that you all get ready. What other fields, athletic complexes, do you work on also?
during the football season, we have the game football and the practice field.
Okay.
And then we do the soccer field as well, and then north and south both have football and soccer.
Gotcha.
As well.
How long does it take you all to prepare one field?
For the county's home football game, which there's more that goes into it, obviously with the numbers and the age, a day and a half.
Sure.
And then with our old machines, when we had to manually push it, it would take an hour a field if we're just painting just the lines. And with the new machine, we've cut that down to about 25 minutes.
Wow, so technology has even helped us out on the football field.
And it's a lot easier wear and tear on our bodies.
I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is.
But another good advantage of it is that we're using about a fourth of the paint as well.
Oh, good. So there's some money savings in investing.
Yeah, it'll definitely pay for itself.
Awesome. Wonderful. Hi, Scott. Good to see you today.
How are you?
Looks like you are getting ready to do some striping.
Yes.
And we talked a little bit with Rex and Scott Preston down on the other end of the field. But I have a question. Like, it's a really pretty sunshiny day today. What do you guys do on the days that it rains and you have to prepare the field?
Just anytime it stops, we just jump out there and do as much as we can.
Okay.
And if it comes back on us, we get back in there. And
Sure. So it's
Come back
kind of a
and
long
forth.
day on and
It
off
is.
trying to get it all ready and prepared.
it is. It's all you can do is what the weather lets you do.
Sure, sure. Well, let's watch you do a little bit of striping and.
We're gonna get you on.
It was great to meet some of our maintenance people behind the scenes. Let's head to the bus garage, our transportation department, and see who else we can find. Hi, inside here we have found Sammy Vinro. He is our head maintenance manager. So he really is in charge of our shop. And tell us a little bit about what a day is like in this bus garage.
Well, we start out about 5:30 in the morning, make sure that all the buses are running, all the drivers get out. After they return, we start our day with doing inspections. It's about 120 inspections. Those have to be checked bumper to bumper. We try to foresee any other problems to prevent the breakdowns. And it depends on whether we have to drive or not. Sometimes we have to do that because
We're short on drivers.
short on drivers and monitors.
So I remember at the end of last school year, there were many days actually that our mechanics, who are kind of our behind the scene people, were also out there driving the buses because you all have all the training needed to be able to do that. So what's it like?
We do that, and we assist in the driver training.
Okay.
So that's kind of a normal day.
Sure.
It kind of changes in the winter. We get here even earlier, around 4:30 to 5.
Wow.
Starting the buses earlier. In the afternoons, if the temperature drops in the middle of the day, then we start them up ahead of time to make sure they're warmed up and ready to go for the drivers and the students.
For our afternoon runs that we do. Well, I will certainly say that your job is very valuable to the Henderson County Schools, and you are, as one of our employees and the staff that work with you, the mechanics, and we appreciate your kind of behind the scene work that you do. Without you, we really wouldn't be able to function as a school system, and so very much appreciate your time and the work you do, Sammy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much for slowing down for just a little bit, taking some time to talk to us kind of behind the scenes of what it takes when you come to the ball game on Friday night and sit in the stands and look. Now we know what it's like. We really appreciate the work you do for Henderson County Schools. It looks awesome. Want to make sure we invite everybody out to the football game Friday night, 7 p.m.